Hello, friends, and welcome to today's tutorial on automating email hardbound notifications in HubSpot. In this video, I will guide you through the process of setting up a workflow that notifies you when an email hard bounces, indicating a potential job change for your contact. With this, you will stay ahead of your contact's career changes and maximize cross-selling opportunities. Let's get started. First, we go to automations, workflows, and we start creating a workflow from scratch. We select contact based, we click on next, and here we can start setting up our workflows triggers. We're going to select the when filters criteria are met. We choose contact properties and choose number of associated companies. We select is greater than or equal to 1 and add more filters. We repeat the same steps but with different properties. Number of associated deals and contact type. But this time we select is any of client, client employee, former customer, or prospect. Now, instead of selecting contact properties, we go to list memberships. Here we have a list for free email providers. And we make sure to choose is not member of. Now we go back to contact properties and choose the more important property, email hard bounce. Is known. After selecting all our filters, we can click on save. Now we add an action. We click on create and update CRM record and we create a task. We introduce our task title, the task message, and assign it to contact owner. And now we can click save. Now the only thing left to do is name your workflow. You can generate a description with generative AI. We make sure to save it. Now that we have created the task, we can review and publish our workflow.